Do you wonder why plant foods are bursting with vibrant colors? Meet phytonutrients. Not only are they responsible for color, flavor, aroma of plant foods, but can also fight a variety of diseases. But there's a problem. Phytonutrients are poorly bioavailable, meaning not all that we eat is absorbed by the body. To address this, scientists have extracted phytonutrients into capsules. As a result, health supplement market has boomed. So, can supplements provide similar benefits as their whole food counterparts? You see, whole foods have a complex food structure where nutrients interact with each other, enhancing absorption. Supplements don't provide this. This is what I'm investigating, a comparison between the effectiveness of phytonutrients-rich whole foods and phytonutrient extracts. I will mimic the entire human gastrointestinal process, studying how phytonutrients are digested, absorbed, interact with gut bacteria, and their ability to improve conditions like diabetes, inflammation, and gut health. So while we figure this out, make sure to include more color in your diet.